What's going on, everyone? This is part 3 of fixing up the review desk. We're gonna finish this. We're gonna review is the Sony FX3. So I upgraded to my dream camera. Enjoy, like, and subscribe, and stay tuned. Old school. This one on this wall today right here. It is level. It's level. It's good. Maybe like that. All my cords right there. The tiger wood. Shohei Ohtani. Flashlight from small rig. Ooh. And we have the actual lens. 50 places to play golf before you die. See how this flows. Now we just decorate. Ready? Voila.